Good morning, students. Welcome back to the social studies class. Did you complete the 15th lesson? Exercise and all now? Completed now? So now, today I want to teach the lesson 16, the Eastern Coastal States. The name of the lesson is the Eastern Coastal States. So please listen. The eastern coastal plains is a wide stretch of landmass of India lying between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. The eastern coastal states include Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Three states, that is Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Almost all the portion of these states faces the Bay of Bengal. Now let us study about these states one by one. Okay. Firstly, Odisha. Odisha, formerly known as Orissa, an eastern Indian state on the Bay of Bengal, is known for its tribal cultures and its many ancient Hindu temples. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. Orissa's capital is Bhubaneswar. It is home to hundreds of temples. Its capital is Bhubaneswar and it is the home to hundreds of temples. Odisha is the 8th largest state by area and the 11th largest by population. Its neighboring states are West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Neighboring states are these one: West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It has 30 boroughs. Boroughs means big cities or big towns. The main language of this state is Oriya. Odisha's main language is Oriya and its capital is Bhubaneswar. Almost all the people are farmers and they grow rice, pulses, sugarcane, etc. Some cities of this state are Roorkela, Sambalpur, Puri, Cuttack, etc. The famous Jagannath temple is in Puri. One temple, that is Jagannath temple, is in Puri. Other tourist attractions are the Sun Temple, the Chilika Lake, etc. Bhubaneswar is an ancient cultural city and it has the Lingarja temple, Khandagiri caves, etc. Odisha, the battleground for the famous Kalinga war fought by Ashoka the Great, lies on the country's east coast. The state spread over an area of around 1,56,000 square kilometer and its population is around 44 million. So this much about Odisha. Okay, its capital is Bhubaneswar and it shares its borders with the state of West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. And the main language is Oriya. Now I want to teach Andhra Pradesh. It is a state in the southeastern coastal region of India. It is the 7th largest state by area and 10th most populous state. Its population is around 50 million. It has a long coastline and Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh capital is Hyderabad and Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It has 13 districts. Its bordering states are Odisha, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Their main languages, Telugu and Urdu are the main languages here. Two languages are there, Telugu and Urdu. Some important cities are Vijayawada, Tirupati, Visakhapatnam, etc. Rice, cotton, sugarcane, etc. are grown here. Rivers like the Godavari, the Krishna, etc. flow through this stage. Hyderabad is made up of twin cities, Hyderabad and Secunderabad, two cities, that is Hyderabad and Secunderabad, and it is separated by an artificial lake known as Hussain Sagar. Hyderabad is built around the famous tourist center Charminar. Mecca Masjid is also near this Charminar. Other tourist places are Golconda Fort, Birla Mandir, etc. Hyderabad is also known as the Pearl City because high quality of pearls are processed here. Its another name is Pearl City. Hyderabadi biryani is the famous dish of this place. One dish, that is Hyderabadi biryani, it is the famous dish of this place. It is also famous for textiles, potato sarees and bangles. So this much about Andhra Pradesh and this Odisha. Okay, Andhra Pradesh capital is, it is a long coastline and its capital is Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, and it has 13 districts, and its bordering states are Odisha, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Main languages are Telugu and Urdu. Okay, so you have to read this much part, this Odisha and Andhra Pradesh 2 times. Okay, and next class I will teach you the lesson, the Tamil Nadu. Okay, so you have to read this much portion 2 times. Okay, thank you.